Missiles ready, drones in the sky, warships on alert, and the world's most important oil routes is now on the edge. Welcome to TimesXP. It's me, Thriti R3. And a new warning is echoing across one of the planet's most dangerous waterways. A warning that sounds less like a routine military talk and more like a battlefield message. So let's talk about the world's energy lifeline that is under intense military watch. All eyes are turning towards the Strait of Hormuz. Well, this narrow water channel is not just another sea route. No, it is one of the most important oil arteries on the planet Earth. A massive share of global crude oil shipments, it passes through these waters every single day. Well, if this route closes even briefly, then fuel prices worldwide can skyrocket. Global economies can shake overnight. And right now, Iran is sending a strong and direct message. Well, Iran's naval forces have now stepped forward with a very powerful statement. The elite maritime unit of Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Navy. They say that it is watching every moment across this crucial waterway. Not just on the surface though, but deep underground and high in the sky. According to Iranian commanders, nothing moves through these waters without being tracked. And the man who is making this warning, well, the message, it came straight from Iranian naval chief. His name is Ali Reza Tangsiri. During major naval drills, he described Iran's island bases as powerful military fortress that, according to him, can control and defend the entire region. Well, the statement carried a chilling tone. Iran is not just monitoring the strait here, it is preparing to defend it aggressively. That's right. Iran's naval exercises, they are not symbolic here, they are massive. They are complex, they are highly strategic. Well, these drills, it includes new missile launch system, advanced surveillance drone, electronic warfare technology designed to jam the enemy communication, and high-speed attack boats, simulating real combat scenario. Here, military experts say that these exercises are designed to show Iran's ability to strike quickly and unpredictably. Let me give you some backdrop here. The warning comes as the US increases its military presence near Iran. American warships, their fighter jets, their surveillance aircraft have reportedly moved closer to strategic locations in the region. And this build-up has intensified an already fragile situation here. Both the sides are showing strength, both the sides are increasing readiness here, and history shows such military proximity can quickly raise the risks.